Hi there, I'm just going to show you how to pot on some tender perennials. I took these cuttings from a daisy that my sister Laura gave me last year. She called it the Sissinghurst daisy. I think it was. Yes, pretty sure it was. Can't actually read the label anymore. Oops. So I put them in this pot. I took some cuttings off and I put them in this pot about 6 weeks ago. And I can tell by the new growth that they're actually rooting nicely now. So I'm now going to tip this pot out like this. So it's time that they had their own spaces. Oh, and I can see that the roots have developed very nicely from these cuttings. So I'm just going to gently pull them apart like this. Don't really need that bit there. So I'm hardly disturbing the roots at all, really. I've got too much. I've clearly got too much compost in there. And then I'm just going to tuck them in. Take out a bit more, and then tuck them into their own pots. And tuck the compost around them like that. Give them a little water in, and then they can grow on, still covered, especially during the night, for another month or so before they are ready to go out into the garden. That's it.